Hi, I'm glad that you are here. My name is Simon and I run a YouTube channel called BRiES, where I post Joranalogue demos, tutorials, patches, you name it. There's a big chance that you already stumbled into one of my videos when looking for information about Joranalogue gear, as there's quite a lot of videos about Joranalogue on my channel. For me, this YouTube Joranalogue journey started when I made a demo for January 3, which became like a 3-part monster of a video series. I also made the extensive user guide, and then I got my hands on an Orbit 3 prototype, and well, I think the real addiction to Joranalogue started there. Now, if you follow Joranalogue on social media, you probably will see my face a lot more the upcoming weeks. But, well, enough talking. Let's get you installed.